Yeah, all right. This is Lyle Murdoch here with Been There, Sung That Karaoke. This is just a little show off video, showing off my newfound skills. So if you could tell, my microphone is clear as hell, no kind of static or background noise. Finally figured this shiznit out. So all our broadcasts going forward will be perfectly I think the word everything's matched up now, and there's no latency, and sound is perfect. So uh, look look for a better broadcast in the future. Yep.